Self-emptying is one of the easiest Prime Day features to overpay for. It is worth it when your robot fills up fast. Pet hair, crumbs, dust, or a larger floor plan. A full bin can quietly hurt cleaning performance, even if the robot keeps moving. But do not pay extra just because the box says self-emptying. Check the dock size, bag cost, and whether the robot still fits your space. For budget shoppers, Q7, M5 Plus, and Dreame D20 Plus are worth comparing. For mop care, look at L40, Qrevo, or Eufy roller mop options. Buy convenience when it removes a real chore, not just because it sounds premium. Compare self-emptying picks on BotVacuumGuide.